Okay, just a quick disclaimer here before we get started. I know that by the time you are seeing this video, I am slightly above 200 subscribers. Right now I'm actually at 208, but when I planned this video and when I wrote out what I was going to talk about, I was under 200 subscribers. I was supposed to record this video 3 weeks ago, but my life has been super crazy. A lot's been going on and I just haven't been able to record it until now. So everything I'm about to share with you is true for when I was under 200 subscribers, even if I'm not at the time that you're watching this. Okay, so I know this is a bit off topic from my usual content, but it's been something that's been coming up a lot with my clients lately and just people in the online business space that I've been talking to. And it's really just been on my mind to talk about. Now, I am by no means a YouTube expert, but with only under 200 subscribers, when I wrote this, remember, I experienced some pretty epic results in my business that I want to share with you today. But before I do, be sure to hit that subscribe button. I have it in my outline here to say to help me get over that 200 subscriber count, but now I am. So, I mean, still subscribe because you're not going to want to miss next week's video where I'm going to share with you how I'm totally revamping my content strategy for 2024. I've made some mistakes and honestly led you wrong in the past if you've watched my past videos, but I am making a video on all the details so that you can learn from my mistakes. Okay, and let's do something fun. If you do subscribe right now, if you're a new subscriber, I would love for you to comment and let me know what number subscriber you are. I think that would just be really fun. Okay, did you do it? Awesome. I can't wait to see which number subscriber you are. Okay, so honestly, I feel like I wasted my time before on other social media platforms. I have tried them all. And I went hard with both Instagram and TikTok previously. I took courses on Instagram and I applied the strategies to a T. I posted daily. At one point, I was even posting twice a day, and I barely saw any result. After almost 2 years of posting on these other platforms, I still get very little engagement. And honestly, whenever I do, it feels like, you know, those comments where you can tell they didn't really read the post and they're really just commenting for exposure for themselves so that you or other people reading their comment can become their follower or their client. Yeah, ick. So since starting YouTube, it has been slow growth as I find my groove. But honestly, the YouTube numbers, the amount of subscribers that I've had, the growth on YouTube itself isn't even what matters for the purpose of this video. It's the effect that it's had on my business. Since starting YouTube, the comments I receive are genuine comments from what I can tell anyway. They're simply thanking me for my videos or telling me how much I helped them, which I super appreciate. That really motivates me to create more, so thank you for commenting those things on my channel. I receive these same messages in emails too, which I've never had before. I've never had someone be in my emails thanking me for the content that I create. I also get comments of people asking questions about my content, like they want me to dive further into something or they have a follow-up question to something I was talking about, and just general questions of how to do things in Asana, which is great because that's why I'm here, to help you. But this also never happened on Instagram. My online course sales have quadrupled. Well, actually, I could say now they've quintuple. They've quintupled since starting my YouTube channel. My email list is consistently growing, where before it was pretty stagnant. And I've received more inquiries about my services and booked more discovery calls. And I've done all of this while reducing the amount that I'm posting on other platforms. I mainly now just post to promote my YouTube videos. I will say though, in case you are taking all of this in and you're wanting to start your own YouTube journey, that YouTube is a lot of work. It's a long game and requires consistency, but with solid systems in place, you can totally do it. And it's totally worth it, unlike the other platforms, from my experience. But my systems in Asana are what keep my YouTube content consistent and on track. If you have no clue where to start with these kinds of systems, then you need my course, Asana Essentials, where I go over all of this and give you my exact YouTube workflows that I use personally in my business. It's crazy to think of all those wasted hours and hours on Instagram and those other social media platforms that have that short shelf life. YouTube feels so much more worth it for so many reasons. It is so much more worth my time because the content is evergreen content. New people are still finding my very first videos, which is really interesting to see. In fact, my most popular video is the third video I ever created, which was back in spring of 2023. YouTube really showcases my expertise more and provides way more value to you. Being able to show full tutorials and how I do things in Asana has been huge. YouTube content is also searchable. People don't even have to be on the platform to find my videos. Some people come from searching in Google. Like, you know how when you search, sometimes the YouTube videos show up? A lot of people come to me from that search as well. So not only can they search in YouTube, they can also search in Google and find my videos. How cool is that? YouTube has changed the game for me, and it's only the very beginning of my YouTube journey. Considering all of this happened within my first year of starting my channel with 0 subscribers, and with currently a little over 200 subscribers, is insane. And I cannot wait to see what happens in the future as I continue to grow and improve. Okay, if you have a YouTube channel, I would love to know in the comments, and I would love to come support you and check you out, especially if you are a smaller creator like me. I would love to know how your journey is going with YouTube, so leave it in the comments and let me know. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you next week. Bye.